Hey buddies, welcome back. Today we are going to be creative as we are going to make dalgona coffee, that too in 3D. I am starting off with this beautiful gel polish from TNL Proffesional in the shade blue. Applying first coat and curing in a little lamp for 30 seconds. While it's curing, I am going to wrap cling film over the back of a pin to make it act like a mold. Also securing it with a thread. I am going for the second coat and don't forget to cure it. Now it's good to wear gloves as we are going to be messy. I will be using this clear builder gel from Colorista. I am dipping the pen in the builder gel. After curing it, I am removing the dispersal layer and also removing it from the mold. Now again removing the dispersal layer from the inside. Woohoo! Isn't it looking beautiful? Oops! Let's file the edges. Creating the base again with the builder gel. After curing, removing the sticky layer. Now time to shape it. Also creating the brim of the glass. Applying the top coat. Now pour the milk. Sorry, that was a poor joke, I know. So now I am using white builder gel. And over that I am putting some brown builder gel. In case you don't have colored builder gel, just mix the gel polish of your desired color and the clear builder gel. Hope that works. And now I'm going to write down Dalgona Coffee. Please do subscribe as I will be coming up with an improved version of this Dalgona coffee in my upcoming videos. Attaching the coffee with nail glue and seal the gap with a clear builder gel. At last, I am using no wipe top coat. And hence final result. Hope you have enjoyed this as much as I have while making it. Please let me know what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share. It means a world to me. And I will see you in my next video. Good luck. Bye bye.